Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox. So first of all guys, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page if you have already logged in. You just need to tap on this create tab over here to make your own game pass. Now you have to tap on this menu button over here. Just tap on it and tap on creation option. Now once you're here guys, you just need to tap on your experience, the default one. Tap on it. Now once you're here, you have to tap on menu button again and tap on passes option. Now guys, to create your own game pass, you just need to tap on create a pass button, enter the name of the game pass, like just type anything you want. You can write this in description anything and tap on create pass button. So your game pass has been created. So you just need to tap on your new game pass that you have created, and now just need to tap on menu button again to configure it for sale and tap on sale button over here, and now you can enable it for the sale and enter the price here like 200 or something, and tap on save changes button. Tap on it. Now once you save it, now you can add your game pass in the please donate as well. Now you just need to guys open please donate game. Now look for any empty stand in the game, like this game is like guys this stand is empty, or no, it is claimed already. So yeah, this is the unclaimed stand. Just hold this stand button and your game pass will be listed here. That's how you can add your game pass in the please donate as well. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.